Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about chaining. First we will discuss about how to insert key in chaining method of hashing, then search a particular key and we will do analysis about it, then delete the key. Okay, let's start. I have already given a key, there are some keys are given and for that I have created key space and hash table. Then we will map it using chaining method. So we will use in this also hash function as h of x equal to x mod 10. Okay, if collision occur then only open hashing or closed hashing is used. First we will map 12 here. So here one node will be created. In linked list how node will be created, same way node will be created. Then next will point to null. Then again 16 will here. 16 node will created in linked list. This is array of pointer to linked list. This is array of pointer. This will contain pointer of linked list. This will be linked list. I will show you how linked list will be created. Then 16, then here 15 and next point to null. 17 then 6. Here see, here collision is occur. So here 6 will take this position. This will be shifted. Okay, this will be in sorted manner. First here 6, then it will point to next, and here 16, and this will point to null. This way it will be created. This linked list will be in sorted manner. Then 39 node will be created. Then 22. Here 22 no need to overwrite it, just new node will be created. New node will be created of 22 and this old node will point to this new node. This will be in sorted. Then again 76. Here in this case again no need to sort it because it is already sorted, and this chain will take log n time complexity. This like searching in how we will search in linked list, same way this searching will happen. 76 new node will be created. And this new node will point to null, and this old one point to new node. This will be connected. This way this hash table will be created because it is using extra space. So this is open hashing, open addressing, chaining. This is array of pointer to linked list, or we can say that array of chaining also, because this is chaining. This is chaining, so we can say that this is array of chaining. Then first we discuss how insertion will be, then we will next point is how to search it. Let's take we want to search key 12. So first hash function will be used. We will go to 2, then 12 directly. It can be, we will start linear search here. Here how we will search in linked list, same way this searching will happen. Then again 16. So 16 here linked list will, here first it will point, then 16 found, not found, then here 16 found, yes 16 is found. Okay, let's take extra bit is not present here. So we will discuss 86 is present or not. Okay, search 86. For that first apply this mod function h of 86 equal to 86 mod 10 equal to 6. First go to index 6, then search linearly. This is 86, no, head point to next. This is 86, no, this point to 86, no, then this is null, means 86 is not found. So in this way we can search simply. No need to worry about this. So analysis of hashing is always based on loading factor. So what is loading factor? Here let's take n. N means number of element. N equal to 100. Okay. Size of hash table. Size of hash table is 10. Okay. So here loading factor will be, it is denoted by lambda n upon size. Lambda is loading factor. In data structure, what we have discussed in searching, like linear search, binary search, or for sorting, we have already discussed about number of keys present. यानी कि always we have discussed about using n, but here we will analysis will be happen with help of loading factor. Excuse me. So this loading factor will be created. Number of element present upon size of hash table. So here what we will get in our case, n is 100 and size is 10 equal to 10. Here what we are saying, loading factor is greater than 1. Okay. So analysis of hashing is always based on loading factor. We are assuming uniform distribution. So each location 10 keys. What 10 is representing? We are assuming that in each location 10 keys are present. This is assuming. Okay. So let's see what is time complexity. If successful means average time complexity we are calculating. Average time complexity. Okay. 1 using hash function, like here how I did 86 mod 10, we get index 6. So here using hash function we will get 1 plus half of lambda. Means best case what will happen, we will get our keys here. At worst case what will happen, we will get our keys at end. But at average case what will happen, lambda upon 2. So this is successful. Same average time in unsuccessful search. Time equal to 1 plus whole lambda. Means unsuccessful search, like 86 how we did, we traverse whole. So here how we traverse, same way this will take lambda time. Okay. And next our discussion point is deletion. How to delete a node from linked list. Same way we will delete here. Let's take, we want to delete a key 76 from this hash table. So how we will go, 76 we will apply for deletion. 76, okay, wait, h of 76 equal to 76 mod 10 6, which means we will go to index 6 first, then we will search about this, whether key is present, then we will delete. If key is not present, how we will delete? Okay, so then we will traverse 1 by 1 76. How we will get in linked list, same way we will get here and we will delete. Simply just we will move this, if it is last node simply we will remove this node and this will point to null. If it is in middle node, this previous pointer will point to next element. Same way, this is not different, same. So we can limit the size with mod function. It's not hard and fast rule, and mod function will be like this. Mod function can be changed also, like h of x equal to x by 10 we can do, and then we can apply mod 10. Okay, to limit this. This can be also be mod function. Mod 10 what means what? Index value will be from 0 to 9. Mod 20 means index value will be from 0 to 90. Okay, same way. But in this chaining, what can be, like take example how this can be drawback. There is also drawback in this, like key space, then hash table. Okay, some hash table is there. If key space 5, 15, 25, 35, which means each one will point to index 5. Each will point to index 5. Means all keys will be in chaining method. But what we are assuming, uniform distribution. So this can be issue. So this issue is not due to this method. This issue is due to hash function we are choosing. Means this is the problem of ours. We can choose different hash function and it will give uniform distribution. So there is not problem in the chaining method. Problem is in the hash function, which hash function we are using, which hash function we are choosing. So for normal case we are using h of x equal to x mod 10, but we will modify this, then different this mode can be 9, 10, anything can be. This depend upon programmer or ourselves how we are choosing. So this is the problem in chaining. All the keys can be mapped to one index and all other index will be empty. So thank you for this video. We will discuss next method about hashing in another video. Thank you.